Hello, this is Kelly with Xima Software. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add an announcement to a skill group queue. When logged into the admin UI, go to Contact Center Configuration and Skill Management to find the skills. Select the ellipsis button above the skill name to enter the menu. In the voice settings sections, you'll find queue announcements. Click the menu button to the right-hand side of that. Here you'll find a visual representation of the queue itself. This is moving from left to right, meaning the very far left of the screen is the very first second inside of this queue. To add an announcement, I will simply hover over the bar and drop the pin at whatever time I want this announcement to play for the first time. Let's say I'm going to do this one for 30 seconds. If you need to fine-tune the start time, you can do so by typing it in as well. The repeat interval is how often it's going to repeat. The repeat limit is how many times it's going to repeat. The default announcements are available in the drop-down menu here. We have estimated wait time, your position in the queue, and the queue callback offer. Please note that if it is the queue callback offer, you'll want to set the QCB related to true. Click OK when done. We can now see our new announcement. We can also see when it repeats. To add a new announcement, simply drop a new pin and make your selection. Also note the pin at the very end. This is an optional announcement that can be played to both the caller and the agent after the agent has entered that call. As always, click OK and save to save your settings.